Caballero with Libertas Real Estate. I often hear people who rent say things like, I don't want to own a home because I don't want to be responsible for the repairs. Or they say, it's too expensive to purchase a home. Well, most of those things are myths, and let me tell you why. I just recently met with a seller, and when we were going over their net, they were going to make almost $50,000 on the sale of their home, and they've only owned it for 3 years. When I calculated how much they had paid over those 3 years in mortgage payments, it was about $26,000. The only repair they had had to make on their home was a new AC unit and some new ductwork to accommodate that. That cost them $7,000. Do you realize that that means that they're still profiting more than $20,000 on the sale of their home, even after repairs they made and the payments they made? So when's the last time that your landlord gave you all the money back that you had paid in your rent? I bet never. And how many times do you usually have to call for them to actually come out and do repairs on the home? As a landlord, it doesn't benefit them to upgrade a rental with a tenant inside of it. Usually only health and safety repairs are things that they're going to take care of, and I see renters all the time complaining that even that doesn't happen in a timely manner in a lot of situations. So if you're sick of renting, you're tired of paying someone else's mortgage, and you're ready to pay your own, we can put your tax refund to work with a 580 credit score this year. We can also do down payment assistance at 620 credit, and 93% of people in Maricopa County qualify for down payment assistance on income alone. So give me a call, text me, or PM me at 623-229-6609, and let's put that equity to work for you.